Tanya and welcome to my channel. I'm trying not to speak loud because I feel like the walls in this Airbnb is pretty thin. I can hear people coughing and sneezing, so I feel like they can hear me, and I'm feeling very conscious about that right now. But I am currently in Paris. I arrived from Lyon yesterday and just kind of worked the rest of the day. I didn't get any food, so I'm actually starving now. But today I have the whole day to myself. My parents are coming tomorrow. I thought they were coming in today, so at least I have time to explore the Paris central area on my own before I take my parents around. And I'm just gonna wing it today. Maybe I'll check out a couple malls and wherever the food is gonna take me. So here's where you enter. This is the shower, and then this is the one bedroom. I love the floor to ceiling windows. Then going this way, the bathroom, or at least the toilet, is typically separated if there is a large enough space. So the toilet is here, and then the kitchen. And finally, where I'm staying, this is the living room. Don't mind the mess. This has been my work table, and then the small twin bed. Waiting for the bus, so this is what the croissant looks like. This is really good. It's worth the wait. It's so buttery and flaky. It's the best croissant I've had so far. It's really good. It's so tender. This is so overwhelming. There's so many people. I'm afraid of heights too, so yeah, I'm leaving now. I got a view of the Eiffel Tower. That should be enough. Oh my gosh, when there's a lot of people, my energy level is just low. Low, low, low. back in the Airbnb, and my gosh, I was exhausted. I needed to get out. It was too many people. So just a debrief feels like work. But this morning I went to a bakery called MAMICHE. It's really good. The croissant is the best I've had so far. It's very buttery and flaky and has so many layers. So I'm definitely going to get more stuff there for my parents. Although I did overbuy. I bought croissant, pain au chocolat, which I haven't tried yet, and then like a raisin type croissant. I didn't even finish the croissant because I was gonna get steak and fries, so I ate like half of it. So I'll finish that later today, and then the other 2 pastries I'll give to my parents tomorrow because they'll probably want something to snack on. Then I went to the steak and fries place. It's really well known. I found it through TikTok, and it is not unlimited steak, but it's unlimited fries and salad, which I didn't take advantage of because I'm the type of person, like just knowing me, if I overeat, I'll get a stomach ache automatically. So I only really had 1 serving of the fries and 1 serving of the salad, and then the normal portion of the steak, which is like 2. I think it's like 1 whole, but they like serve it in parts. And then I went to Galerie Lafayette, and that's where my energy just dropped. I didn't realize how crowded it was. A couple years ago when I went, it was never this crowded. Like getting up to the terrace took so long, and to leave, and all I really wanted was a jelly cat, and that was underwhelming. They didn't have the bag charms, and they only had a few items, so I'm sad about that, but I guess that's good because then I don't have to spend money. And now I'm back here. I need a break, and then I will go to Shakespeare and Co. to maybe get a book. I heard there's this specific stamp, and I kind of just want that stamp and a postcard because I am now doing this thing where every place that I go to, I'm going to send myself a postcard back, and then I'll try to go to Christmas markets and sleep early because my parents are coming in like 6 a.m., 7 a.m. So I have to take the train and meet them. Last note before I really need to take a break. When I was waiting online for the steak and fries place, I met a Thai couple. So the time went by fast because I was talking to them, and also I had a call with my dad. So I think it was worth it because the sauce, the green sauce, is so good. But maybe because I was just like starving because I didn't have anything but half a croissant. But I really think that place is worth it. My stress release is watching K-pop, so I'm gonna watch a couple videos and then I will head out to go to Shakespeare because that closes at 8 o'clock. so crowded. I did not enjoy that. I found another entrance in from the other way because it was getting stuck. So coming in from the middle was a lot easier. Although it's still very crowded. So I'll just do a quick walk around and see what's interesting. And then I'll head out. I just want to get out. I just want to get out. Almost there. Almost there. Okay, now that it's less folks, I can't really get mad that it's so crowded because it is Saturday and I'm near the Louvre Museum, so it's just gonna be a lot of tourists. It's like 9:20 right now and I'm finally back. I know why I have a headache. I haven't drank any water the whole day. I only had a Coca-Cola, so I'm planning to drink water. But here is my dinner. I got a Pepsi because I've only been seeing Coca-Cola in restaurants, so I want to drink this. And then I have the shawarma. So I already took a bite. I got a chicken shawarma and it's really good, the sauce. If I'm around there again, I would definitely eat there. It's just a little bit of a trek from the Airbnb, and the area that I'm staying is the Latin Quarters, which I feel like is central but not too touristy because I just didn't want to be around the crowd. And yeah, I'm gonna end my night here because I have to sleep early. That's it for this video. Next one is gonna be with my parents. Bye.